And in this video I'm going to show you how can you promote Clickbank products without the website. It's gonna be a paid method, but as you know that affiliate marketing is a big large business and six-figure income online business, so you need to invest some amount of cash like 50 to 150 USD dollars, which is quite affordable. So let's start this video. Hi friends, I'm your host UnknownEntrepreneur, and today I'm going to show you how can you promote Clickbank products. By the way, my name is Abra, and now let's see. First of all, I want to quickly invite you to click on the description first link for subscribing this channel, for becoming the part of my online journey, my online unknown entrepreneur YouTube channel, and you will find a lot of new gifts and new everything on this particular channel. And if you're excited what comes up, make sure you hit like this video and comment down anything you want to do. And before starting this video, if you want to earn $500 passively income, so click on the description first link, link seem like shrinkearn.com and blah 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 blah. Click on that link and you will be definitely earn $500 USD per day. If you are newbie, no skill required, nothing required. You just need to do some investment like $50 to $60 and that's it. Okay, let's start this video. First of all, I am come to the app.com. Basically this is a whiteboard. Let's break down affiliate marketing business. Now on Clickbank, the best thing I like about the Clickbank that they are giving you a high commissions like 75%, 85, 95, which is too much, which is insane. Now what is this blueprint all about? Like you have a product and you have a landing page. Now landing page is a single web page where your visitor submit his her emails. Like if you buy any traffic and you give your own landing page link, then visitor are going on your landing page, putting your email address and whatever. If your visitor didn't buy your products, your promotion products, you don't worry because you have option of emails marketing. Okay, so this is all about. Now you first of all you need to have a product. Now how can you find a product? First of all, create an account of Clickbank. I put a link in the description box. As you can see over there, there's a Clickbank dashboard. It seems like quite friendly, quite easy. Now what you need to do, just come here and there are some options like categories, and now what you need to do, just select your niche. Your niche is everything. Like if you are working on the health and fitness, so just click here health and fitness and select the subcategory of that particular niche. But if you are going to just spend your money and want to sales quickly, so just click here because now from this option you will find a trending product. Now there's another way to find a trending product. What you need to do, just copy this product name, copy this and go to google.com/trends and paste your interest and click on search button available here. Now the Google Trends will be showing you how this keyword will be doing well and which countries are doing well on that particular keyword. For example, I am coming here. For example, this is a top level domain and this showing me some things. And the best thing about the Google Trends is showing actually the names of the regions where these products are growing well, like Florida, Georgia, California, New York, Texas. And you can actually basically submit your ads here and making money online. Now this is one way. And for example, you are going to promote products like weight loss products. So what you need to just come here, write weight loss, and you want to see where the weight loss, where the losing weight problems are occurring. So come here on Google Trends and put your keyword, and it's showing you this country. It's also showing you some keywords which you can also put on your Google advert campaigns or others. But I am not here to talking about today about the Bing and Google or Facebook advertisement. I am here about talking about these solo ads. Now these things are done. Now when you select your product, for example, I highly recommend you to select a product that average gravity more than 30%, because it means that 30 people's person are earning from this product. For example, this product going viral, so I just click on promote section available here, and I put my tracking ID. If you haven't, so don't worry about that, just click on create and put your account nickname. Now there is something you like. Clickbank pays 65% commission when you sell numerology products to refer a customer, and just there is your affiliate link. Copy this link and close this window. Now what you need to do, just come back to the about, and what we learning about like landing page. Now you will create landing page on a few website. I put a link in the description like getspawn.com, mailchimp.com. These websites are actually free to create this type of landing page, but I highly recommend you go for the clickfunnels.com. Clickfunnels are absolutely great thing, but it is much expensive, like $100 per month or per 2-3 months, but it has absolutely a great options. Now, and the third word, what we know, actually you can search about landing page or more about from YouTube, or I will create a video tutorial about that. Please let me down on the comment section. Now third one, we need a traffic. Now there are thousands of traffic sources, but the thing I am going to use is solo ads. Solo ads means that other people subscribers will be your, like you're giving your landing page link to the solo adder seller, and he just run a campaigns, and just he just put his subscriber list on your email. Like if you are if you want a solo ad, so just go to Udemy and write your ad, and he the seller just put your ad on her email list. So the results will be blow your mind. Now go to solo ads as udemy.com. This is the best platform. I put a link in the description box, so just go here. Now there are many solo ads solo ad dealers. Actually I use last one known as, I think so, from Canada. Now actually you can also create a solo deal if you have good emails. You can also click on find sellers solo deals. I just click on find sellers, or you can also go to this directory link udemy.com/. Now just click here, like how much you willing to pay on per visitor, like 35 cents. How much visitor you want, like 200 visitors. And what's the delivery time, like 24 hours, and what's the sales time. For example, there are many few sellers who gives you guarantee that you getting sale from his emails, but you can also select that option. Now I click here Kelvin Sia, I think so, and this is basically giving me the idea, giving me the perfect example that we will promote your offer on our sponsored buyer list. Now 100 fresh subscribe added daily constant traffic to PLM multi-level marketing or BIS or OPP. So you can also contact them and asking for a Clickbank promotion. Okay, like 48 openings. Opt-in means 48 peoples from 202 clicks joining the landing page. Now we need to just come here, and you can actually basically playing with that, because if you want to spend more, so you can spend more. Like on 108 visitors you got 300 visitors. For example, from 300 visitors you got 100 clicks on your landing page. On 100 clicks you will got 50 people who are subscribed your newsletter, and from 50 people only 10 people are going to buy your products. For example, you got a $50 from one person, and 10% buy that. So how much you will got? Only you get easily $150 from only spending $108. Actually basically you can also get from more because of follow-up. And the thing which I now breaking down is email follow-ups. It means that when someone subscribes your list, they are going to your account like Mailchimp, and you have his visitors, targeted visitor emails, and from that email we need to just send them your offers daily, like hey, open this up here and blah blah blah. And after a day, over a day, some of them are opening and they are buying your product and you get a commission. Now these are the simple steps, or this they are going to the sales section. Okay, this is the actually basically formula, basic blueprint of Clickbank promotion. Now there are many free ways to promote Clickbank products. Let me down in the comment section, so I will create a tutorial about that. Now basically, if you want a free training or a paid training from Clickbank employees, so I honestly advise you to click on the description second third link, where you go to the Clickbank training session, and you will learn a lot of that, like how you can earn $1,000 a day passively from Clickbank. So this tutorial is all about Clickbank. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this tutorial how to promote Clickbank product without the website for free. So make sure you hit the like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button with bell notification, make sure you click on my description link so you can engage more ways to make money online. And please subscribe this channel. Goodbye.